Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a short video in CapCut PC. Here I'm revealing the fastest, most beginner-friendly workflow using CapCut desktop version to get your content edited and uploaded before you lose momentum. So there is this feature on CapCut called long video to shorts. So if you use this feature in here, this tool, you can easily cut or edit your long video into a short TikTok or YouTube short ready so you can just upload it right away. So this is an AI tool. As you guys can see, it will automatically find highlights in a long video and got multiple shorts. So let's just use it. You can click on this features in here, long video to shorts. So one long multiple short viral videos in a step. So you can convert 60 minutes of long videos to short for free, everyone. And if you want to get 240 extra minutes per month, you need to join the CapCut Pro. So what you need to do in here is just drag and drop the file. You need to upload a video under 3 hours and 10 gigabytes. And this feature supports more than 20 languages. The time consumed means or equal to video duration converted. But my time left is 60 minutes. So let's just upload the file in here. Let's see, I'm going to use this video in here. This one. You can hit on open. Here there are 4 options. You can set duration for shorts using the auto option. So you can just let CapCut do the magic. Or you can choose under 60 seconds, 60 to 50 seconds, or 90 seconds to 3 minutes. So just choose the durations that you want. So in here I'm going to make this into under 60 seconds. You can just click on convert, tap on allow. Now CapCut will do the magic. So you can minimize the progress by clicking on this back to home. But if you want to wait, you can just wait here and wait until the result is out. So as you guys can see in here, CapCut give me some options in here. You can also filter it by time or recommended. You can just choose which one. So it will also come with the titles like this. So you can just choose which one that you want. And you can click on edit to edit it more, or click on export to download it directly to your device. It also comes with the auto captions. So it's really helpful for you if you want to create shorts, TikTok or Reels. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.